Hello students, this is the Digital Knowledge Irshad Academy with a new video of complete black box equivalent of non-inverting feedback amplifier. Before going to circuit explanation, subscribe my channel, press bell icon so that next video reaches you. Looking at the circuit diagram, we have Vs, which is the source voltage, Zs is the source impedance, VIF is a closed loop input voltage, ZIF is a closed loop input impedance, AFVIF is a output control generator, ZOF is a closed loop output impedance, ZL is the load impedance, VOF is the output voltage taken across ZL, and this is called closed loop output voltage. Zs is a source impedance. This is a Vs is a source voltage. VIF is a closed loop input voltage. ZIF is a closed loop input impedance. ZOF is a closed loop output impedance. AFVIF is the output control generator. We call closed loop. Why? Because when the loop is closed, there is a feedback given. Therefore, this F indicates a feedback. The loop is closed. Closed loop input impedance. This is formula. ZIF is equal to ZIC bracket ZI parenthesis 1 plus A naught beta closed bracket closed, ZIC plus ZI into 1 plus A naught beta. See that when we are giving feedback, this was the ZI here, it was previously ZI. Now ZI is increased to ZIF by 1 plus A naught beta, and it is very high. Feedback increases input impedance ZI to ZIF by 1 plus A naught beta. ZIF is very high. Closed loop output impedance, this closed loop output impedance, and it is ZO divided by 1 plus A naught beta, means the A naught beta feedback reduces output impedance ZO to ZOF by 1 plus A naught beta. Previously it was ZO, now it becomes ZOF. It is reduced by 1 plus A naught beta times. Now we want to find out VIF, which is across ZIF. We first have to know current. I is equal current flowing in the circuit. We know this is a source voltage Vs, and the current is flowing through Zs and ZIF. This is Ohm's law. I is equal to V over R. This V is Vs, R are these two impedances, and we want to find out voltage across. We know the current which is flowing here, but when we multiply with this resistance, it gives us voltage. That voltage will be called VIF. So let us multiply this with the ZIF, and we can write now VIF is equal to ZIF over Zs plus ZIF into Vs. This is VIF, closed loop input voltage. Then is we want to find out VOF. This is a source voltage, and these are the two impedances. We will first find out current which is flowing in the circuit, and that current is equal to AFVIF divided by ZOF plus ZL. This is nothing but Ohm's law is equal to V over R. This is V and these are R, and when we multiply by ZL, it will give us the voltage which is across ZL, and virtually that voltage is our output voltage called VIF, closed loop output voltage. VOF is equal to closed loop output voltage is equal to AF VIF divided by ZOF plus ZL into ZL. Two things to be emphasized. Zi is increased by 1 plus A naught beta, and it becomes very large. It was previously Zi, and that is increased by 1 plus A naught beta by feedback voltage. It is increased and becomes very high. This was ZOF, and it is reduced by A plus A naught beta times. Feedback reduces output impedance ZO to ZOF by 1 plus A naught beta. This is nothing but feedback loop gain, and this reduces the ZO. It was previously ZO, now it is reduced to ZOF by 1 plus A naught beta. This was Zi, and it is now increased to ZIF by 1 plus A naught beta. That's all. Thank you very much.